Meaning of focalization.
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 Focalization. Focalization is a literary term that refers to the act of narrating a story from a specific character's perspective. This means that the reader only has access to the thoughts, feelings, and experiences of that particular character, rather than having a more objective or omniscient viewpoint. The result of focalization is a narrative that is often more immersive and emotionally engaging, as readers become deeply invested in the perspective and journey of the focalizing character. Focalization can be used to create a sense of intimacy or to explore different perspectives within a larger story.